Okay, let's have a look at an example. What you can see here is a contract where Alice makes a deposit of 1 Lovelace, Bob makes a choice, which is either 0 or 1, and then Carol is paid 1 plus that choice by Alice. Let's send that to the simulator. We could perform a simulation on it, but what I'd like to do here instead is to look at what static analysis we can do. Are there any parts of this contract that can't be reached? No, we don't. There are different paths through the contract, all of which could possibly be exercised. But let's look at what if we analyze for warnings here. Let's just pull this up. What's this saying? It's saying a transaction partial payment might happen. The contract's supposed to make a payment of 2 Ada from the role Alice to the role Carol, but there is only 1. And it tells us how this can happen. We make the deposit of 1 Ada, and then Bob chooses the number 1. And that means at the point of payment, we are paying 1 plus Bob's choice, namely 2. So we've found there's a problem, and what this analysis does is check every possible execution path, every possible value of choices, every possible choice of timing, to check to see if things can go wrong. And indeed, it's shown us a way this contract can go wrong. Now, one way of sorting this out is to make sure that instead of posting 1 Lovelace, initially Alice posts 2. And let's now see if we get any warnings. We see here, no, static analysis says this can't go wrong because the payment here, lowering this down, the payment here will either be, the choice is either 0 or 1, so the payment here is either 1 or 2, in which case the payment can take place, whatever happens. And we can see that, we could look at that in the simulation, we could start the simulation. Alice deposits 2 units, suppose Bob chooses 0, a payment of 1 is made, and if we check in the logs, we can see that Alice deposits 2, Bob chooses 0, and then the contract pays 1 to Carol, and it pays the other 1 unit back to Alice when the contract is closed. And these actions are performed automatically. When the contract can do an action, it will do it automatically. And so we see those two things without us having to choose any external actions.